Hey guys, Everything Liking 2 here, and this will be mini fire alarm test 7 requested alarms again. So let's get started. Alright guys, so yes, there's another requested setup, and yes, and I already did 2 tests in one day. How about that? So let's go ahead, let's review. We requested all the devices except the smoke detector, which no one actually requested it because, well, yeah. So anyway, we got the fake Firelight BT12 requested by Spectral Advanced Abuser from Discord. I forgot the YouTube name, the YouTube channel name. Again, they'll be down in the description below and the panel. Got the Spectral Classic P1224, the P241575, requested by Mimi2, and it is set to Metro Mechanical Code 3 horn. Requested by Scripted Tom, we have a Wheelock RSS 24MCWFR to 15. And since no one requested a smoke detector, I just put the i3 up here because it's never been in the mini system anyway. So, and this time I'm not going to test real smoke, so it's going to press the button. So let's open the panel up, and here it is, and let's pull. Silence. Go reset. And reset panel. Now I'm going to test the i3. So my little thing right here, screwdriver thing, whatever. And I'm going to go and push it up here if I can reach up there. Here we go. Silence. And there it is. So yeah, gotta reset first. Let you go out. Okay, and then we'll reset. And that's it, guys. And I requested mini system test. So yeah, requested mini fire system test 7. So there it is, guys. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching.